Welcome! In today's walkthrough, we're diving into one of Telegram's small but super useful features, Suggest Frequent Contacts. This option helps Telegram recommend people you chat with most often, making it faster to start new conversations or share content with your go-to contacts. Let's get right into how to turn it on. First, open your Telegram app. Make sure you're logged in and on the main chat screen. Look toward the top left corner of your screen and tap the three horizontal lines, that's the menu icon. This will open the main side menu where you can access your settings and preferences. From the menu, tap on Settings. Once inside, choose Privacy and Security. This section controls how your Telegram account handles data sharing, visibility, and suggestions, so it's the right place to be for this feature. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Suggest Frequent Contacts. By default, this might be turned off for privacy or performance reasons. Simply tap the switch next to it to turn it on. When enabled, Telegram will start learning from your activities safely and privately to suggest the people you contact most often. That's it. You've just activated the Suggest Frequent Contacts feature. Now, the next time you're sharing media, forwarding a message, or starting a new chat, Telegram will make your communication faster by showing your most frequent contacts right up front. If you ever want to disable this feature, you can follow these same steps and toggle it off again. It's that easy. Little tweaks like this can make your Telegram experience more personal and efficient. So, go ahead and turn on Suggest Frequent Contacts to keep your favorite people closer than ever. Stay tuned for more quick Telegram tips, and don't forget to explore the other helpful settings right inside your app. Thanks for watching.